With heartfelt thanks to the Maharashtra University of Health Sciences, Nashik. Shalaram Ultra Wellness Clinic.
Hello, my name is Naya Bukhtari. I am currently second year BHM student from AKHMC Alepata.
My name is Anushka Rajesh Swawal. I am a third year BDS student from MGM Dental College and Hospital, Navi Mumbai.
My name is Rishikesh Davange and I am currently second year BMS student from Pravara Medical Institute.
मेरा नाम नेहा हिमने है। मैं सेकेंड ईयर बीएमएस स्टूडेंट हूँ और प्रवरा मेडिकल ट्रस्ट शेवगांव से आई हूँ।
Myself Sumit. I am currently pursuing BMS at PMT's Ayurved College, Shevgaon.
I am Pratiksha Bangar. I am studying in second year BMS from Pravara Medical Trust Ayurved College.
Hello everyone, my name is Sharvari and I am BDS student from Ahmednagar, Yashwantrao Chavan Dental College and Hospital.
Hello, my name is Anjali Jha and I am currently pursuing BMS from SCM AVM Satara.
Hello everyone, this is Ipshita from second year BDS.
Hi, I'm Tanaya. I'm from second year MBBS.
Hi, I am Sanjana Ahir from TYBPTH.
We all have come here at the Chalaram Ultra Wellness Clinic for the SIP under the MUHS.
So it is our first day here and I'm pretty sure it will be a very good experience and we're really excited to know more about this topic. We are very excited and thrilled to be here.
फर्स्ट डे हमें इस सेंटर का पूरा ओवरव्यू दिया था जिसमें स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम कोलोन हाइड्रोथेरेपी, HBOT, इन बॉडी स्कैन और क्रायोथेरेपी और उसके साथ पंचकर्मा सेंटर भी दिखाया था।
So after we took a tour of the whole wellness center and after we were introduced to the faculty, we come to this in-body machine, which is the first step of wellness. So basically this machine tells you about your body weight, your skeletal muscle mass and your fat percentage in your body. Also various other parameters such as your proteins, your intracellular, extracellular water and many other parameters such as your whole body phase angle are read through this machine.
And according to that, we are trained over here and now we are doing the cardio. So first we did a treadmill which was for the 10 minutes for calories burned. So today I did, I guess, 75 calories I burned during a treadmill. And then we move on to the cycling part, which is for the 5 minutes. And again we did for the cardio and in that also we burned our calories.
In gym area, the gym trainers introduced us with the different equipments which were necessary for the full body exercises. They also taught us the basic training which is required, like mobility, foam rolling and weight training exercises and also the cardio exercises.
Then elbow, then arm, then hip.
So in second week, we mostly focused on the supplementation part and the theoretical part of the strength and conditioning, which is a very new topic for me. Also, the gym trainers over here are very professional. They professionally explain you which muscles are involved, how they work, the antagonist, agonist, everything, which was totally new for me. So also the equipments are very new to us. We don't know how to handle the equipments. So they explained us how we should handle the equipments over here and in which way.
On second day, we studied about colon hydrotherapy.
On the third day, we have studied about ozone therapy. In this therapy, we use ozone gas. It is administered to the patient for the increasing the blood circulation in the inflammatory processes, and it's also given for hair loss.
On the fourth day, we learned about the HBOT machine, that is hyperbaric oxygen therapy. In this therapy, there is a chamber in which the patient is made to sit for a varied amount of time and is administered with oxygen at a high pressure. It increases the healing process. It increases the dissolution of oxygen in the blood plasma.
And in this week we have learned various different things, starting from cryotherapy, cupping therapy, and acupuncture therapy.
In acupuncture therapy, it is a therapy in which the needles piercing in a particular points on body, which mainly beneficial in a pain relief.
Cryotherapy is a cold therapy in which the cooling process is brought about by the nitrogen gas. The therapy is beneficial for the anti-aging processes, for destroying the cancerous cells and removing the toxins from the body.
So it's been first week here at Chelaram Ultra Wellness Clinic. We are all of the yoga students. So each day we begin with a practical session in which we start with a mindful breathing, then we do prayer and we perform variety of asanas. In asanas, Janvi ma'am specially emphasized on the correct postures, breathing pattern and alignment. Beyond that, we also had theory sessions at Chelaram Ultra Wellness Clinic. Beyond the yoga session, we were also allowed to learn about the naturopathy.
Before we came here, we didn't know about the yoga, the meaning of yoga. And here we all get to know about the yoga, that yoga is a union of Jivatma to Paramatma. Here the interesting part is the history of yoga. History of yoga is very amazing to know about the history.
In practical session, Janvi ma'am taught us different types of asanas like standing asanas and sitting asanas. In standing asanas, we have learned Virbhadra asana, that is warrior pose, and Ardhakati Chakrasana, that is half wheel pose, and Padhasta asana, that is hand to foot pose. All these asanas are very beneficial to us.
We learnt about the 3 sitting asanas, that is Paschimottanasana, Ardha Matsyendrasana and the Vakrasana.
So during the second week, we performed various asanas and also we came to know about the breathing practices. We had various practical sessions on yogic asanas and we came to know about the indications, contraindications and particularly the breathing pattern which we should follow in each asana.
Here at Chelaram Ultra Wellness Clinic, in second week, along with Janvi ma'am, Vishwas sir also took our master class regarding the health and wellness. There he explained in detail about the current scenario of health and wellness in society, and then he also taught us about the parameters of fitness and outcomes of the health and wellness in our society.
In second week, Janvi ma'am took a assessment on the basis of what we have learned in the internship, and we have also presentation on the basis of what we have learned.
So it is our last day today as interns here in the Chelaram Ultra Wellness Clinic, and it has been a very memorable journey indeed.
Fantastic, it was like wow.
The center's holistic approach helped me to understand the connection between the physical health and the mental well-being, and also the emotional balance in our body.
So as we have been trained by professional trainers, so I will definitely use in this in my daily lifestyle.
इस 2 weeks में मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला related to naturopathy and yoga.
As you can see, where I'm sitting today is not an average place, it is beyond the expectations. The place where I'm sitting also has a great view. This is the place where we had our free times, off-session times.
I remember all of the staff here, starting from the nurses, the receptionists, all of our trainers, Rohit sir, Aditya sir, Shantanu sir, Bhanu sir, Gaurav sir, all of them were very helpful throughout our journey.
What we learn here is wellness is very important in our daily lives to keep us fit and healthy, and I think I will really take my parents here for all of the therapies.
So as I'm a physiotherapy student, it is very helpful in implementing different exercises in different conditions.
We had a lecture with Vishwas sir.
There he explained us in detail about the current scenario of health and wellness in society.
Like we are neglecting ourselves in our day-to-day life activities. We'll neglect our body, our mind, our peace. But that is the main thing which we need to focus on.
Even the senior officers such as Vishwas sir, Dr. Gauri ma'am, Dr. Janvi ma'am, all of them, they have helped us throughout. They were always amiable, very approachable throughout.
So I would definitely like to recommend this or suggest my parents also to come over here
and take this experience as for wellness, because as a medical students we are being taught about the medical skills and medical practices, but beyond this there is the wellness of our body, which is really much important than the medical technical and practical things.
I would really like to thank Chelaram Ultra Wellness Clinic for the experience that I got here.
Thank you, Chelaram Ultra Wellness Clinic, for this opportunity. Thank you, Chelaram Ultra Wellness Clinic, for such a great experience.
Thank you, Chelaram Ultra Wellness Clinic, for this opportunity.
So we all like to thank you to this Chelaram Ultra Wellness Clinic for making us understand about our lifestyles and how we can correct it. Thank you.
Thank you.
I would like to thank Chelaram Ultra Wellness for this wonderful experience. Thank you so much for this internship, for this kind behavior. Thank you so much.
Chelaram Ultra Wellness Clinic. Your healing journey begins here.